Hi, I'm Bill Cantor, the founder of Funnelcast. We offer a software as a service focused on improving sales forecasting and productivity. Now, our primary market is business to business sellers, and reaching that audience with crisp and precise messaging is critical for us. Most of our leads come from LinkedIn, and I was struggling with how to improve my presence on the LinkedIn platform. Hasibul contacted me because he saw my several of my posts and he recognized that my personal branding was inconsistent with our corporate branding. Hasibul guided me through a full profile optimization and personal branding design to fix my problem. Our first project was simple. It was just to align the look and feel of my personal profile to match the corporate website. But that made a huge difference. It made my posts stand out because the profile image is uniquely branded and coordinated with our corporate identity. And people who see the posts can now immediately identify the source and can engage more consistently with them. Our second project was to build out the LinkedIn banner to make it similarly match the Funnelcast corporate branding. Hasibul created a custom LinkedIn slider banner and professional layouts for my featured section and service section design. He was always there with great suggestions and was very sensitive to how we want to communicate, but he would always push back where his expertise was needed. Hasibul is easy to work with. He's a great communicator and has great insights to help you with your branding and to make your profile stand out. I highly recommend working with him.